Hey friends, we're going to be transforming a boring Christmas village into something magical with old book pages today, so stay tuned. Today we're turning this into a magical Christmas village, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing you want to do is apply your torn book pages to the different houses and buildings in the village. And the way I'm doing this is just applying Mod Podge over small sections of the houses at a time, and then applying the scrap paper. What you want to do here is you want to get your paper on the houses and then apply another coat of Mod Podge over the top. You want to be sure that you are completely covering all areas of the houses. Be sure to allow all the paper to dry thoroughly and then go back in and cut out all of the doors and windows using a sharp knife or an X-Acto knife, just something sharp to cut them out. One mistake I made, it's very difficult to determine where the windows and doors are after they're completely covered in paper. So I suggest taking a picture of your houses so that you know exactly where each window and door is. Then the next thing that I did was I went inside each of these windows because it's white inside and it didn't show up really good. So I'm just using some black craft paint here, and I'm just applying it with a brush to the inside of each window. It's just a quick and easy process. It doesn't have to be real neat either. Then once you have done that, I also painted like some lines on there for brick on the chimney. And now we're almost done. What we're going to do here is we're going to use some twigs. And I just went out into the yard and picked up some twigs and cut them to size. And what we're doing is just applying them with hot glue to the roofs of the houses. And I want them to kind of look like thatched roofs, like an English countryside village is what I'm shooting for here. I do all the corners first and then just fill in, and you'll see that some of the pieces will get shorter as you go along. Again, it's a quick and easy process to cover the roofs. It's just a little tedious getting the right sizes in there. But you've already covered it with paper, so it's not going to matter too much. And plus, now we're going to add some Elmer's glue just over the top of it and sprinkle it with some crystal glitter, and it looks like snow on the thatched roofs. So let's see what they look like now that we have them all finished.